Linturi afanye nini?
Siasa mag mbi e kind gavana ma Trans Nzoia George NATEMBEYA kod spika mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula osebedo ka chwakore e Imbo mar piny Kenya. NATEMBEYA e bwo riwruok mar siasa midendo ni Tawe Movement makelo kanyakla jotelo mar rowere mawuok e Imbo mar piny Kenya osebedo ka goyo siasa mar golo e pap Wetangula kod josiasa mamoko mabende giwacho ni osebedo ka thiro Imbo mar Kenya e weche mag dongruok. Ywaruok mag siasa e kind jotelo ariyogi oseyangore e lela kendo kelo baruok mano maradhung' e kind johera magi. Jafwambo marwa mar siasa Chris Owino ne yudo thuolo mar bet piny kod NATEMBEYA mar ng'eyo tie ywaruok mare kod Moses Wetangula kaachiel gi siasa mar Tawe Movement.
Kuom thuolo mar dweche 4 mokalo, yamb siasa osebedo ka kutho ariwa e Imbo mar Kenya. Kweth manyien mar jotelo marowere e bwo tado mong'ere kaka Tawe Movement, motelne kod gavana ma Trans Nzoia George NATEMBEYA, osebedo ka kutho mager kochomo abila mar josiasa matene kaka ogai mar jotend migepe Musalia Mudavadi kod spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula. E kor dwe mar adek higani e kaunti ma Trans Nzoia, kweth mar NATEMBEYA kod Wetangula ne ochwadore adhong' kendo ketho liel, wach mane oweyo jotelo ariyogo ka ok nere wang' gi wang'. Ramogi TV ne obet piny kod moko kuom jotelo mag Tawe Movement mar ng'eyo mathoth e wi riwruok makamano kaachiel kod sigu mar siasa e kindgi kod spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula. E twak marwa, gavana ma Trans Nzoia George NATEMBEYA kod jaod bura ma Saboti Caleb Hamisi wacho ni riwruok mar Tawe Movement en mar luoko siasa ma Imbo mar Kenya kendo tero pacho jotelo mosegoyo dala e siasa kuom higni mathoth to onge weche mag dongruok.
We are saying no, we are rejecting bad leadership, selfish leadership. We are rejecting politics of poverty. There are leaders in Western Kenya who are basically lots of poverty. They have been part and parcel of the problems that have been defiling the region. They claim to be very senior in the government. But when you look at their track record, what they have done in terms of tangible things to uplift the standards of our people.
We are in a revolution in Western region. The revolution of stagnant leadership, retrogressive leadership, a revolution of people wanting at least a son or a daughter of their own to occupy the presidency. And there is a feeling that the two people who have been there, that is Wetangula and Musalia Mudavadi and the others, they have not been able to bring the community together to gain the presidency. They have been selfish. They have been used to divide the community. They have been using the community to ascend to various positions in government. And the results out of it cannot be felt on the ground.
NATEMBEYA kod Caleb Hamisi onyiero paro moro ni riwruok mar Tawe Movement en mar duoko piny mbi mar Moses Wetangula e Imbo mar Kenya, kagiwacho ni oganda jo Abaluya osebedo kaluwo ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga e weche mag siasa ma ok Wetangula kata Mudavadi.
Western province or region as it were has about 40 constituencies. A majority of them are in the hands of ODM. Mudavadi doesn't have even any constituency, but just 5 MPs, Wetangula the same, DAP the same. The person who holds sway in terms of politics in the Western is Raila. These are the guys that have got no influence amongst the common man. As I said, the governor for Mudavadi is an ODM governor. So you can't really say that I'm trying to grab anything from anybody. All I want us to do is, as a community, we speak with one voice. When you speak with one voice, you are taken more seriously. Even on that negotiation table for politics, you're going to be taken seriously because they know you're going to bring maybe 2-3 million votes to that basket. Anybody will take you seriously.
While I'm going for 8 years in primary school, Mudavadi is still a minister in Moi's government. Nothing whatsoever has ever happened in that region where I was born when Mudavadi was a minister. Nothing. I've gone to Stare. I've finished 4 years. Mudavadi is still a minister in Moi's government. Various portfolios. He even became a vice president of the Republic of Kenya. A vice president. Nobody gets to the vice president without the potential of becoming the president. I have finished study. I've gone to teach in a a local school for 2 years. Mudavadi is still a minister. Nothing absolutely for the community.
Ewi gima omiyo riwruok mar TAWE movement geto Moses Wetangula kod Musalia Mudavadi, jotelo ariyogo oka ochung' achiel motegno ni oganda jo Abaluya osedong' chien e weche mag telo kod dongruok kaluwore kod siasa marach mag jotelo ariyogo, gino ma omiyo nyaka giwuog e pap kata golgi oko gi thuon.
We are saying if you are bad and you know you're bad, Ondoa jam, get out, because there are many other people capable of leading the community. So we want to unite the Western region to speak with one voice. Luyas are second in terms of population. But when it comes to critical issues that matter, when it comes to political discussions, we are not taken very seriously because of the very divisive politics that are widespread within the community. We're encouraging them to pave way. They have been in leadership for too long. 20, 30, 40 years, I think that time is sufficient. What you will not have done for the last 40 years, you can't really do even if you're given another 5 years. So I think it's time for them to honorably retire before they're aged out. The region is producing very young and vibrant leaders who can take up the mantle of leadership. If they go quietly, we're going to give them the respect they deserve. But if they're pushed out, then of course the consequences are different. We will not hold them with any due regard. So we are basically asking them as elders, you've done your bit, please now pave way for others.
There is no economic activity in Western whatsoever. And this is the reason why we are saying, as the young leaders, we want these old people with due respect to go home, to retire with Ruto, and leave us to take the people of Western to the presidency. And we have the capacity, we have the charisma, we have the energy. We are charismatic, we are enthusiastic, and our capability is high to take the people of Western to where they belong.
Kata odoko ni oganda jo Abaluya omako thuolo mar ariyo kuom ogendini man kod ji mathoth e pacho kae, gwenge mag Imbo pok ogolo jachung' motegno e yiero mar tend piny, gino ma George NATEMBEYA kod Caleb Hamisi tudo kod onge ma jatelo man kod chung' motegno kod chia mar riwo oganda jo Abaluya kaachiel gi yudo sir kowuok e gwenge mamoko.
The Luya people are already united. We share common culture, common language. We have different dialects, but we basically understand each other. The common managers got no problem. We live together in the same region. We share the same ancestor, and basically there are no issues. But what has bedeviled the community is about selfish political leaders, those who are competing amongst themselves to be on that negotiation table. They do not want the entire community to go with them. What you are saying is like now the low community, they all rally behind Raila and take him to that table. When he speaks, people take him seriously because they know if he walks away, he's working with the entire community. But our two leaders, when they walk away alone. Wetangula has just one MP in Trans Nzoia. He has got only one governor in Kenya. He has got only, I think, 4 or 5 members of parliament. Mudavadi is governor at home in Viga from ODM. So basically what we are saying, are they on that table representing the interests of the community or their own interests? So TAWE is about now getting the entire community on that table so that we are taken seriously.
The former Vice President, Kijana Wamalwa, brought Luyas together because he was determined. The Luyas saw capability, they saw charisma, they saw enthusiastic a leader who even dared oppose Moi government. Mudavadi cannot even oppose his MCA. He can't oppose anything. How will you show your leadership?
Kweth mar TAWE bende neno ni Mudavadi kod Wetangula ema osemiyo gwenge mag Imbo pogo ombulu mag-gi ka gisingo mar keto ombulu mag Imbo mag Kenya e okapu achiel e yiero mabiro kuom nyiso telo man kod chia kaachiel kod chung' motegno. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV.
Nyakoro mgojwang mag Josiasa